guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom grill set just finished for one of our customers. It's gold plated over 925 sterling silver. It's the two-tone diamond dust finish with the yellow trim around. Now you can get this in pretty much any combination of teeth that you want. This happens to be 6 top teeth with 8 bottom piece. Okay, now you can order this online right on our website, blingcartel.com. You would get a free mold kit sent to you. Bite down on the mold kit, the mold impression kit, send it back to us. Start working on your grills. Usually it takes us about 7 to 10 business days to make. Then we ship the grills straight to you. Beautiful grills, guys. Thanks for watching. blingcartel.com. As always, y'all have a good one.